America. This is Noodles, the burly guy, with another episode of, I haven't even labeled it yet. Let's call it Creating with Burl. In my first video, I showed you a little bit about what burl was and how to prep it, get it ready. And in my second episode, I showed you a few things that I was coming up with to make. And, of course, as always, talking about sanding. If you'll look, these have been pretty sanded down. One of the first things I discussed was President Trump. He just happened to be in one of the first pieces. I'm going to cut a little notch out of that, and as we know, something that's always in the back of Biden's head is one President Trump. So I'm going to inlay that into Biden's head, and what I may be doing is, after I'm all finished, if it's nice enough, is auctioning it off, and I'll come up with a starting price maybe. And I won't be afraid to donate half the proceeds to Donald Trump's campaign. And as you can see, there's a couple other pieces. Tell me that doesn't look like Mr. Burns. But this here I'm thinking of calling my fish. After I etched out his head and sanded and polished him down a little bit, although there's still quite a bit left to do. I was trying to figure out what to do with him, and if you'll remember, I had two slabs, two little tablets that I had cut up, one there, out of that big piece over there. And as I was playing with this one, something similar appeared that I see in the White House all the time, this imposter thing, and I got this brilliant idea. So I etched out his head. As you can see, it's a little round towards the back. I got to bring it down because he's got a little bit of a flatter head there. And what I'm going to do is something pretty cool. Okay, America. Well, I just wanted to give you a little update of what was going on. I didn't disappear, I've just been busy. So you all take care, and I shall be back. And this is Noodles, the burly guy. Enjoy.